Good morning, everyone. It is afternoon. I fooled you. It is 12:58, and I am in the Best Buy parking lot. My husband had to go in there and pick something up, and it's kind of funny because he parked me right in front of two people. I don't know who this is. Hello? Hi. You'll have to ask her in a little while. Right now, she just went in the store with her daddy. I'll have her call you back when she gets back in the car. Alright, bye. That was Joan's cousin. She wants to know if she can come up and swim. But anyway, yeah, I'm parked in front of, like, there's two people in their cars and they're watching me vlog. Yeah, what are you gonna do? I was supposed to lock the doors. My husband told me to lock the doors so no one will steal me. But we had to run to Best Buy so he could get this. He started collecting like the Infinity figures, and he's getting all the Star Wars ones, and one of them he had to wait for, so he went to go get that. I have to go pick up my thyroid medication. I took my last pill today, so I have to get that filled, and I do need to go in for another test to make sure that it is doing what it should be doing. And all these people are around me. But anyway, that's what we got going on. And I also have to look for a bandana. I do have some bandana print, but they want pink bandana, so I'm going to see if I can find some of that somewhere.
Later in a poke.
Were they on sale?
Yeah, they were still on sale. She said she's hungry.
I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah, well, you won't.
We are home. We stopped by Walmart so I could pick up my medicine, and then they had a brand new bolt of this, which is I forgot what this is called, but it's like stretchy. It's like dance. I don't know how else to explain it, but like a dance material to dance with. But I use this in like my 4th of July outfit. But the lady was, I don't even know, she was just having issues. And first she cut this one because I have to do a like a western, and they want a scrappy tutu, and I was hoping they had this in brown, but they didn't, because I'm gonna do it in pink, brown, and gold. So I need to make the tutu match it. So I was hoping they would have more of this stuff, but they didn't. But that's alright, I'll figure out something. And this, I'm making the corset top out of pink bandana, so I just picked up two just so I'd have an extra one. It's what else, I also make the Sheriff Callie out of it. But anyway, back to this. I told her I just wanted a 1/4 yard of this. A 1/4. She measured out 3/4 of a yard. And I even told her, I even stopped her and said, I just need a 1/4 of that. And she just proceeded to cut it and then rang me up, and she rang me up for a 1/4. So I don't know. So this is actually 3/4 of a yard. So yeah, I usually buy a 1/4 at a time because I really don't use a lot of this. The only time I do use it is, like I said, when I do like 4th of July's, and then maybe a couple other tidbits here and there. But anyway, so I got a 1/2 yard of this for free, even though I told the lady. And then I had to pick up lighters because I think I was down to 1 lighter, and I always use Bic. That's where Sterling left her nail polish. Like those nail polishes that come in the removers that come in the little plastic containers. They're like, feel oily. Yeah, she left one down here. Left it sitting, and it made those marks. Took everything right off it. I do have quite a few orders that I need to get working on, but since I took, okay, this is what happened last night. So I took, I guess I threw it away. It was the Z-Quill or sleep aid, whatever it's called. I took one because if I take two, I usually have nightmare. I've never taken that before, but if I've ever taken like a full dose of something that helps you sleep, it gives me nightmares. Like I've taken like the Tylenol PM or Motrin PM, and it tells you to take 2 of them. I can only take 1 because, yeah. So anyway, I just took the 1 and I still had trouble falling asleep. I was tired. I felt tired, but I just couldn't fall asleep. So then I got up and took the other one and then went back to bed, and probably within 10 minutes I was asleep. So I don't know if it was actually the extra pill helping me go to sleep or if it was just finally time for me to go to sleep. But I finally went to sleep. I didn't get up until 10 o'clock, like this morning. Yeah, normally I get up about 8. Oh, between 8 and 9. Closer to the 8 side than the 9 side. It's 3 o'clock right now. Sterling went to her cousin Alyssa's to go swim, so they're probably gonna swim for about an hour. So I think I'm gonna go lay down and maybe try to snooze a little bit. I will see. And then I'll get up and work on some more orders. And I think I'll just make pizza for dinner because I bought stuff to make pizza. I bought stuff for pizza and lasagna. I must be in an Italian mood. I got stuff for pizza and lasagna, and I bought stuff for, oh, I want to have manwich one night and a chicken dish. So I need to pick up burger and chicken sometime. But anyway, let me go lay down. So it is super windy out here. You see the trees blowing? Probably can't hear me because of the wind. I'm trying to cover up the microphone on top, but it looks so weird out here. Hey guys, people looking at me. I'm at Best Buy. Does it seem like I'm always vlogging at Best Buy? They actually sent my husband, I'm trying to find a place to rest my arm. They sent my husband another email saying that his other figure that he had ordered had come in. So we are here again so he could pick up his other figure. And yeah, which is another infinity. But wasn't it a crazy storm? Did you see all that? That it didn't even rain at our house. It just kind of like blew, and my battery light's flashing, so I gotta charge my battery. But after this, we're gonna head over to Joann's. I'm just looking for some more fabric to go with the scrappy tutu that I need to make, and then I'll probably go home and work on some stuff. But I did take an hour nap. Okay. Here's the mighty dollar. What are you guys looking at?
But when it comes with nail glue, it's old. So I need
What are you looking for?
nail glue.
And you got some?
Nails.
For your nails?
Remember I got this stuff and I don't know what the Mama! What's good?
Which one do you want? If you could have any of them, which one?
Probably.
Wonder Woman?